This is just a friendly reminder that everything you desire, you are 100% capable of doing or getting. And I'm not talking about fantasizing. That yearning, burning, unforgettable, like just keeping you awake up at night. When you like really need something, feeling and that emotion does not come from anywhere. And I'm telling you, because I know from experience and I speak from experience, practice and hone in on that. Write down reasons why you want those things, what you're going to do to attain them. What are some things you're willing to sacrifice? What are some things you're not willing to sacrifice in order to make that happen? As exciting as it may seem in the beginning, be very careful and practice a lot of discernment with who you share these goals with. I think it's so important to really sit on things that you want for a while before allowing other people to infiltrate your opinions or sway you or try to tell you differently. And sometimes, maybe in the long run, it could be something that you don't actually want. You want to give yourself the grace and the space to figure that out before other people do. And I'm not just talking about money. This could be related to relationships. This could be wanting to be a better sister, a better friend, a better colleague, improvement in work. This applies to so many different things. Also, last thing to remember, great things take time. Anything worth having is worth waiting for. Patience and faith really are two of the most important things that you can have. And I don't care how bad the optics look. You don't get desires for something for it to just magically disappear in thin air. So be patient. You got this.